Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
China's ambitious 3.8bn mega train line across the Himalayas plagued by problems. China's incredible £3.8 billion, $5 billion, railway line is set to connect two countries separated by the world's highest mountain range. But the ambitious megaproject has been on hold for years due to a series of major obstacles. The Trans-Himalayan Railway will connect Jigaon County in southern Tibet to the capital of Nepal, Kathmandu, once built. The vast line will be made up of tunnels passing through 105 miles, 170 km, of majestic mountains and bridges extending up above peaks and clouds. Landlocked Nepal could see a huge boost thanks to the project, with potential access to seas set to help it become more economically successful once the line is built. But it has not been an easy ride for the Nepalese authorities, which have complained of a lack of information coming from the Chinese side. Read more: China's 73bn mega city with hotels and skyscrapers that is virtually empty. Aman Chitrakar, the senior divisional engineer and spokesperson at Nepal's railway department, said in 2022, "We heard that our government had signed a MOU on technical schemes of the railway project during Wang Yi's visit in March, and now media reports have said a feasibility study will be carried out. But as an implementing agency, we haven't been informed about any developments that were made in the recent months." According to infrastructure YouTuber Simon Whistler, failure to involve Nepal's limited expertise with Chinese engineers will stunt the development of Nepal's rail sector in its own right, and Nepalese railway engineers won't be sufficiently informed to properly maintain the railway when needed. Meanwhile, funding issues have also hamstrung the project. China is expected to provide aid amounting to £768 million, $1 billion, to help Nepal extend the railway from Kathmandu to Pokhara, one of Nepal's major tourist destinations, enhancing travel and economic opportunities. Don't miss the incredible 200 mph British bullet train you can only ride in Asia inside major UK airport to build brand new train line with high-speed rail report. The world's longest train ride takes 279 hours and 13 countries spotlight. We use your sign-up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. Read our privacy policy. But Nepalese officials are reportedly concerned about getting caught in a Chinese debt trap, leading to fierce rounds of negotiations that have sparked multiple delays in the project's rollout. Meanwhile, the challenging terrain and extreme weather conditions across the Himalayas could make construction and maintenance dangerous, and there are also concerns that it could threaten the mountain range's ecosystems. Basanta Raj Adhikari, deputy director of the Center for Disaster Studies, said, "Any trans-Himalayan project of this scale will have serious environmental impacts, and there should be more concern around the fragile geology of the region. This railway will pass through the main central thrust, a geologically weak zone in the Himalayas, and it's important to use technical knowledge of geologists and other experts to minimize its environmental impacts. But it's sad that no efforts towards this have been made. This helps explain why it has been labeled one of the world's toughest railways to construct. It is also a huge challenge in itself simply to cross the lofty and fragile Himalayan range, ecology issues aside. The mountain range has average elevations beyond 4,000 meters, with 9 of the 10 highest mountains in the world, including K2 and Mount Everest. However, Nepal's authorities said, with China's technological prowess, it is possible, as they have already built railways in higher altitudes in Tibet than the proposed Nepal-China Railway.